Happy Pride Month! And with Pride Month in mind, Madam Glam came out with House of Color. I am so excited to read you a little bit about this collection, and Madam Glam's just given all the gifts for Pride Month. So this launch date is today, June 13th, but also in honor of this collection, there is a shopping event, y'all. 50% off. So as you saw, I put the 50% off discount codes written in the beginning of the video, and I'm also going to include that in the description box below. But I want to read you all of the magic for this House of Color Pride collection. So let's get into all the magic. So this collection that has gone live today retails for $158, and if you have VIP, it is $71.12, which is also what you'll get if you use any of the discount codes that I provided in the beginning, which is RAVEN50, Mama50, and Priya50. Right now we are going through the stunning colors of this collection. Y'all, you need to run over and pick these up. These neon baddies are so gorgeous and just scream to live life colorfully. So right now I'm gonna quickly do a Pride demo with the colors that I already have. The House of Color colors are arriving soon, but they're currently stuck at my local airport, so they haven't even got to the post office yet. So I'm just gonna go through with some beautiful Pride colors from Madam Glam's previous collections and do a gorgeous nail inspired by Pride. And as I do that, I'm gonna go through the colors of the brand new collection, write up, and just give you some more information. Also, I wanted to reiterate that if you are not a VIP member and you're not ready to start that yet, which VIP program is so amazing and you can cancel at any time, but today and tomorrow, no VIP membership needed. You can get 50% off without being a VIP. You just have to use those codes that I said earlier. So without further ado, let's move into the description of House of Color. Now this collection is inspired by Pride, and they said, colors are the secret language of the soul, speaking to our emotions and influencing our thoughts. And I truly believe that. Color therapy is real. Sometimes when I'm in my worst pain, I just have to look over at my Madam Glam wall and I begin going through all my favorite colors, and I can just feel all of that tension and pain melt away. So the 8 beautiful soak-off gels, they are all their cream formula, 5 bottle opacity. They have your Sublime, which is a gorgeous lime green. I say this is a Slimer, bright, bright green. It is so beautiful. They have Pink Madness, which is a stunning pink. Love Out Loud, which I think is so beautiful for Pride Month. It is the color of love, red. Live Colorfully, which is a gorgeous orange. Glorious, which is a stunning blue. Gemini Heart, which is a beautiful teal. Eternal Bliss, which is a stunning purple. And for all you yellow sunshine babes, they've got you the Star. So Madam Glam says, by allowing yourself to be vulnerable and receptive to your feelings, you can open up to the healing power of colors and use them to connect with your inner wisdom. Now I have to stop the write-up for just one moment. They literally, like, that was just what I had mentioned about color therapy. Madam Glam, you have hit this on the head. I love how in-depth you go with each collection, and especially for Pride Month celebration, all of the love and equality. These colors are so beautiful. So they said, designed to make you feel confident, powerful, and ready to take on the world, with shades inspired by the rich colors of pride, the mystical energies of the tarot, and the cosmic influence of astrology, the healing power of crystals. House of Color is a celebration of self-expression and individuality. Let your nails speak the truth. With a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula, crafted with care and attention to detail, ensuring that your nails will not only look beautiful, but also be healthy and strong. The new arrivals will guide you through a journey into the mystical realm of color and energy. From the rich, deep colors to the sun-kissed hues, every shade in this collection is imbued with the energy of the universe and the magic of elements. Oh my gosh, this truly touched my heart. Said pro tip, every shade has a story and every color has a meaning. Write your own mystical designs like skittles, ombres, graphic lines, half moons, aura vibes, French tips, or simply add a pop of color to your everyday look. Madam Glam, for today's June launch for June 13th, this collection is out of this world. Pride means so much to me, and being a part of the LGBT community, I felt the shame, the acceptance, the everything, and now I've let any form of shame or self-hate or anything of that completely melt away, be washed away, and I just feel the joy of truly knowing who I am and being confident that even if that doesn't align with other people's views or beliefs, that I have a strong sense of self and I should be proud of who I am. And that really embodies a lot of pride with equality, self-acceptance, inclusivity, just everything, whether you're an ally or a part of the LGBT community. This just means everything. I talk a lot about visibility on this channel, and I just think it is so important to unapologetically be you. So for anybody that might be struggling, know that it truly does get better. And I just pray that you're having the most positive, beautiful, and uplifting Pride. And thank you, Madam Glam, for selecting these stunning colors for June. And I also will be creating a gorgeous Pride design with these new colors, so as soon as they arrive, be looking out for your notifications, because I cannot wait to do a gorgeous set with these stunning colors. Thank you so much for joining me, and I am so excited for this Madam Glam 2-day shopping event to celebrate not only Pride Month, but their brand new Pride collection. So run on over to Madam Glam and feel free to use the discount codes for 50% worth of savings, a whole lot of coins, and gorgeous colors. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Mwah.